This is the first test of studded tires on my Rad Rover fat bike. Have a look at how they perform on the type of ice that results from freezing rain. This happened to me once, and I broke 2 ribs and a punctured lung. I didn't want this to happen to me again, so I got myself a set of studded tires for my fat bike.
It's been 3 weeks since I installed my studded tires, and I didn't have a chance to try them out for different reasons, weather and health problems. But today, Christmas Day, conditions are perfect. We've got freezing rain. What better conditions for trying out my studded tires? Let's go.
The freezing rain is mixed with ice crystals, so it's not making a very hard ice surface. So the cars have been passing by on the street and they've sort of softened it up. But the sidewalk, it looks pretty icy. So let's try that and see. It's not really hard ice, but walking is pretty treacherous. So on a bicycle, it would be even more treacherous, except that the studded tires, they're supposed to be made for this kind of condition. It feels pretty secure. Still, I wouldn't want to go too fast. Let's try braking. Not too bad. It's a little slippery, of course, when you lock the wheels. You should never lock the wheels when you're braking on ice or at any time. So I'll try braking more slowly. No problem at all. Okay, I'll try accelerating, see if there's any spinning. A wee bit of spinning. This car has left me go by. This is really nice, actually. With ordinary tires, it would be, well, I think it would be impossible without the studded tires. This is really slippery. If you were to try walking on this sidewalk, you'd need boots with studded soles. Otherwise, you'd end up like this. Actually, this is quite lovely. You still probably would want to take the curves slowly. You still have to be careful, but at least you can ride. I mean, if somebody is using his bike year-round for going to work, even days like today would not prevent you from using your bike. I'm taking it easy here. Well, as we can see, the ice is broken up here. They've salted the road, so there's not too much ice on the road itself. when there's freezing rain, it really doesn't feel like Christmas. What do you think? I'm not going too fast. I'm going 15 kilometers an hour. I just don't feel that it would be safe to go much faster. So if I were commuting to work, I guess I wouldn't be going as fast as on ordinary days. This part here is very slippery, but the studs really bite into the snow and ice here. Really very secure, as long as I don't try to walk. This was my first test of my studded tires. The ice today is relatively soft, the temperature being only about -4 degrees Celsius or 25 degrees Fahrenheit. When it's very cold, the ice becomes harder, but since the cold also makes the ice more brittle, I expect that the studs will dig into it just as well as they do in today's temperature. So check out my channel later this winter to see my tests under a variety of conditions. There are two ways I offer information about electric bikes and electric bicycle campers. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel or you can visit my website. And on this website, you'll also find information about my books on sailing, www.robertberrio.com. Thank you for watching, and remember, never quit cycling.